Yep, so here where I work, we didn't really have much of a QA process. We had developers releasing new versions of our software. We would run it in-house, but there wasn't much of a testing platform being done. So now that we have Zephyr for Jira, we're able to integrate our development processes with our QA processes. So we're able to make sure that we're testing what we need to test, that we are regression testing to make sure that previous features are still working correctly, and we're able to tie all this together and document it so that we can have some visibility over how things are going across the different departments here. Zephyr for Jira adds a lot of value to our company. We need some way to test all of our software. We are a 100% software company, so everything that is done here needs to be tested before we send it out to our customers. Without Zephyr for Jira, we aren't able to fully test everything, and with it, we can really put some focus on making sure we have a quality product. I talked with my team earlier today about Zephyr for Jira and how it's going. We've been using it for about 6 months now and really started using it heavily within the last few months. And I asked them what is their favorite thing, what's the most beneficial item, and they came up with two ideas that I was thinking about as well. One was that it works. We have had zero problems with it. It's common to find a product that just works right out of the box and provides everything you need and doesn't cause you a lot of problems and that you see with a lot of other products. And the other one is the integration to Jira is a huge help for us. We use Jira internally for our development team and for our support team, and being able to integrate our testing into the same platform saves us a lot of time since we can tie together all of our testing plans and all of our tests with the different versions of software that we're releasing. Moving to Agile has been a process for the last year or two. Our development team moved first because they needed to be able to adopt this style, and they used Jira for that. And then when the QA team became more of a formalized function here, we were able to take that methodology and use it for our testing as well. So we work with the schedule of the developers. They're putting out new software every couple of weeks, new release candidates, and we're able to come up behind them and use Zephyr for Jira to test everything, not only the new features and the bug fixes, but also the previous versions, and make sure that everything is still lining up with what our customers expect. On a day-to-day basis, we use Zephyr for Jira in the QA team. In fact, just today we released about 12 different items of software. Thanks to Zephyr for Jira, we were able to run all of our tests and feel comfortable with what we were releasing. So every day we're going in there and looking at versions that have been released by our developers or will be released soon. We can develop test plans based on the tests that we've already developed and write new tests for anything that may be coming out. One item that really helps us with testing in Zephyr for Jira is that ability to write test plans with all different sorts of test steps and be able to use those for multiple tests. So that way we can test common features with every release to make sure that we are still functioning the way we need to. Yeah, it's actually great. In fact, it was kind of a coincidence actually. I'm actually wearing the Breeze team shirt today. It happened to be the clean shirt, this morning when I got up, but yeah, it's nice to be a part of the team. I like to stand behind products that I feel like stand behind me, and I feel like Zephyr's doing that for me. The QA team is new here, and we're really looking for ways to get some quick results, and Zephyr's been able to do that for us. So it's great to be part of the team and help promote the product, not only to others in the company, but also others in other industries as well.